So we were invited by the Arya Resort and Spa for this is the property. So it's a beautiful property in Nasik, and we were called here to experience the whole life at Arya and see how the hospitality is. So yeah,
We're gonna have super fun, create more content. So talking about our OOTD, he is Gugu your OOTD. He's wearing Aldo shoes, a backpack from Go Ibibo, his jacket because it is purely cold. So
it was cold because when we left, it was early morning and it was cold.
Even this place seems like a very coldy place. So yes, I am wearing one piece with a jacket, a denim jacket. My shoes are from Aldo, my bag is from H&M, and my mask. Of course, can't go without mask. It's still coronavirus. So guys, we were shooting in the first outfit at Arya Resort and Spa. This is a dress change kind of a thing, and this is the same liner जो गुगु ने मुझे gift किया था birthday पे. So yes, now we are shooting for something different thing, and ये दूसरा outfit है. Also a quick update, हम लोग late पहुँचे यहाँ, so we had little late lunch. The food here at Arya Resort and Spa is amazing. I'll wrap up my shoot फटाफट and then sit and chill with him. So he's basically working two side by side, so he's right there with the mask on. How cool my liner looks. I'm so much in love. A quick change. I am wearing a different outfit now, and so we are doing some amazing shoot here. He's right here. Coolest property. It is so lit. I love the vibe. I love him. Gugu, I love you more. Guys, so it is the next day. I am just having my coffee. I'm here to go for my breakfast, but look how pretty is it outside. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm ready with my new look. It's a new fresh day. Look at my eye makeup. So basically, Dhaval is shooting with the team. So yes, there is a photo. For the breakfast. Breakfast is so yum.
It's too good.
We got idli, chutney, some vegetables, some cookies. Oh, this and this chutney tastes so good. We have dosas and we have faded coffee. He's so cautious with his hair. We are shooting. So here is our tripod. There is our stuff. I'm shooting. He is gonna do push-ups now. So that's just over his douche. How did you feel after doing push-ups?
I had too much to eat.
Oh yes, we are best together. What say, Gugu?
Yes, absolutely.
We have changed and we are shooting for one brand right here, and then हम लोग साइकिल लेने वाले हैं आज. So we're gonna do some cycling and so how are you feeling riding cycle after so long?
It feels good.
Yeah, ours almost last day here. Arya Resort and Spa were amazing when it comes to hospitality.
Very amazing property, a must visit if you are in Nasik. And they have got amazing view, like you guys will not believe. You have hill view and you have lake view. Both of them are super.
So there is someone's wedding in the hotel. There's a setup जो बाहर हो रहा है.
We were just walking to our room and we saw this hashtag.
So we were just guessing out कि what would be the name जो recent weddings में होता है. So I'm gonna show you.
Shubh Avant. So we both were just guessing what it is, and I said maybe Shubham or Shubham
Avant, but then this needs to be
maybe.
Avantika.
We are just guessing the hashtag because we have nothing else to do.
This is fun, like guessing whose wedding is in the resort. But yes, they have some amazing decor for the wedding thing also. They did
If you have any other names in your mind, please feel free to
Yeah.
put it in the comment, because I'm sure even you don't have anything else to do.
So we started our breakfast. So guys, it's our third day and we are checking out today. So this way we came for the breakfast and we have a long journey back home, जैसे 5 hours back home. So I don't think we're gonna stop for lunch or something. So we're gonna make sure today that we eat very properly ताकि 5 बजे तक भूख ना लगे and we don't have to like stop unnecessarily somewhere with all these COVID situations.
Yeah.
Practically, my dosa is here. So we just thought that we should eat properly so that we easily can travel and don't have to stop. I'll try not to even stop for washrooms because I don't know how safe वो होंगे. But yeah, hopefully yes. Even the climate is too good यहाँ पे. Okay, I have something on my nose. Spare that. Sorry. Okay, so breakfast was here. We done with our breakfast. How is it? How is it? How is it? How is it?
Very good.
Very good. Okay. जो कोई ये गेस कर रहा होगा कि मैंने मास्क नहीं पहना है या मेरे वीडियोस में मास्क नहीं देखा है, ये वीडियो लाइक मेरे हाथ में हमेशा रहा है एंड आई डू वेयर इट. इट्स जस्ट फॉर द वीडियोस. आई समटाइम्स रिमूव इट बिकॉज बहुत अजीब लगता है. नाउ after all the precautions I was here. This is how we shoot. We literally have no coffee. I'm literally wearing the chadar and I have my pants on. So this is the mess that we create while we shoot, guys. So finally it's the time bye bye कहने का. We had this small getaway with Arya Resort and Spa. Thank you so much हम लोगों को invite करने के लिए. You guys are amazing when it comes to hospitality. सब कुछ like everything. Thank you for having us and this is the beautiful resort. Basically आज एक wedding function है यहाँ पे, so उसकी तैयारियाँ हो रही है. There is the entrance. This is the exit point. दैट्स द माउंटेन व्यू. इसके पीछे जो भी रूम्स है वो माउंटेन व्यू को जाते हैं. एंड ऑल दिस रूम गोज़ टू द लेक व्यू जो मैंने आप लोगों को बताया. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस एंड looking forward to more travel content. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yes, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, मेरे और धवल को. So the links are gonna be right here on the screen, and see you in my next vlog. So my OOTD आज travel के लिए ये नहीं है. I am wearing very comfy clothes. This is just for the photo. मैं अभी अपने कपड़े कार में चेंज करने वाली हूँ because we have checked out. See the magic. I told you. Here's the magic. Comfy clothes. Driving with babe. Some coffee, road, music, and we are heading home.